Well guys, this is March, and I think it's March 20th or 19th, 20th. I'm not taking any chances with all the antivirus stuff. Anything we get, we're going to wipe down. Now I've already wiped this down once before I even touch the camera. But I'm going to show you, I'm wiping it down again because we don't know who touched this stuff. We got good mail service people that are taking their chances and they're delivering mail. We got truckers out there delivering this stuff. We got some good Americans that are helping us. Now we need to do our part. We're staying here. We've been quarantined now. Like I said, this video won't go on for quite a while, but today is March 20th. We've been quarantined now. Vicki is almost 2 weeks. Now I've been quarantined a little less than that because I went out and made a film for you guys. But I just got this today. This is courtesy of Devil Dog. You know who he is, or he knows who he is. Good friend of mine. He's always helping me out. And here's what it is. Oh, it comes with a wrench. Cool. What these do, and I'm going to put one on to show you, but you take these, and these are called X-Chocks. You put them in between your two tires, and you crank it, and then that keeps your trailer from moving. I got something on over there now that it might work a little bit, but these will work really good. My neighbor over here, Pat, has these on his, and he said he swears by them. So now I'm going to go over there and I'm going to put one on. My rough one. You're going to want to put these on before I put the slide outs out because of my knees. I can't do it very good. So I'm going to go over there and we're going to set up the camera because Vicky's in the house. And we're going to put one of these on and see how they work. But thanks again to Charlie, aka Devil Dog, man. You always come through for me. Thank you very much. Okay, we're at the other side. Alright, I'm going to try to stay out of the way so you can see this. You can see what we got here. This is a homemade device that probably does pretty similar to that. Pull it out of here and you can see it. Now on my rig, I got oversized tires. These tires here are 14 ply. So they're closer together. A lot of things won't work, but we don't have any trouble with running this type of tire. Now then, this is what was in there. See if we can show you in the camera here. This is what was in there. You just squeeze this bolt together, tighten this up, and then that squeezes it together. Well, that was probably working okay. But now we're going to try this one here. Here, let's see, which way does it go? Is that the right way? Alright, well, we got a ways to go, so we're just going to sit it right here and tighten it up. Get it closer to it because it's never been used, so let's see, getting closer. Oh yeah, that goes pretty quickly. Now then, so all I do is tighten this up in between there, kind of like the other one was. There we go. He's good to go. Then I'll get a picture of it. That's how it works. There we go. Right in the middle of the tire. And they said once you do this, those tires won't move. And I can see why. That's tight. That is nice and tight. That ain't going nowhere. Oh, I could bend the handle before I can move that. So that's good. Let me take the camera over there and show you what we did. Okay. There we go. That's what she looks like, and the wrench just fits on like so. And you've seen me tighten it up, and that is in there. It ain't going nowhere. So now I got to go over to the other side and do it, and I'll video it. It's going to be a little more difficult because I got to crawl under the slide out here. You can see how this one's a little more easier. So you can even see my new shackle back in there. See the new shackle? We're trying to get everything fixed on this, everything working good. Because, you know, going to be on the road pretty soon. And we're concerned about that because places are closing down as of March 20th. We don't know what it'll be like. We got 44 more days here. We may end up staying here till it's so hot we can't stay here anymore. The landlord over here told us we could stay here. He's a good old boy. We were supposed to be out of here, like I said, in 44 days, but it may be longer than that. But now we're gonna do this one here. And you can see I gotta crawl under there to do that. So I'm gonna crawl under there, put that on it. Okay, I decided to go ahead and tape this side because I'm laying down here anyway. Okay, I want to show you, whoops, had the camera pointing at the ground. Well, it's hard to do. Okay, I wanted to show you some things on this. See, these here, they pivot like so. So they'll fit to this size, whatever size tire you got. Then all you gotta do is put your wrench on it up here. Okay. Get it a little snugger to begin with so it doesn't go anywhere. There we go. Got that a little snugger. Now we put your wrench on top. Oops, put it on the wrong way. There we go. Now listen. I don't know if you can hear the tires squeaking, but it's squeaking. That sucker ain't going nowhere. Want to make sure you have this thing out, so when you put in your slide, I should say, put your slide in, then you can just reach in here, put your wrench on here, loosen it up, and pull it right out. And once you've got them on there, you don't have to crank them all the way back down, as long as you got room for them to store them. But that's that. I think that'll work good. So that'll probably be it for right now. Yeah, get you a set of these. If you got an RV, they weren't that much money. They were only 60 or 70 bucks, something like that. But that's what we're going to put on here anyway. Short video, but to the point. Well, we've got them put on now, and I think I feel a difference. How about you, dear? What do you think? You feel anything different?
Yep, it's better.
That's all. That's all you're going to say.
What do you want me to say?
It's marvelous.
It's marvelous.